Let's have a look at my challenge.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. And if this is the first time here, I'm the big fella that is the Scruffy trader. And what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, do take a second to hit that little subscribe button. It genuinely helps. And if you do find value, smash the like and the super thanks. Helps keep the lights on. So what's the challenge? What am I up to? Well, I was asked by you guys if I would take a prop challenge from inception to completion, whether it's good, bad or indifferent. Now, I have done this a number of times before and I've done it successfully, but every challenge is different because market conditions change all the time. So you've still got to be on your game, but just so you can see I have done it before, here you go. And those have now evolved into accounts that pay me quite well. And I'll show you one of them. I'll show you the deal ticket as well if you want. At the moment, there's one there. It's due to pay me out just on £4,000 for this month. So I'm quite happy with that. And one of the questions I often get asked is, do prop funds pay? Yeah, they do. There's a deal. And there is lots and lots of payments coming in and out from the fivers. So I've got complete faith in these guys. I genuinely trust them. So who are they and what are they? Well, the prop fund, if you've not come across them, is a company that will put the money up to go to market and you have a profit split. They put the money up, you do the work, split the profit down the middle. To me, that seems pretty fair. Now, within this, they have three ways you can go. You can be a stock trader. I'll do another video shortly on this because I'm going to show you how to find stocks and take you through that platform. They have a boot camp where if you're reasonably okay with your sort of trades, this can help hone your skill because there is a lot of trading resources, which you will find up amongst this lot. And you'll also find help from myself because I do help with these guys. And that's a low thing. And it's 3 challenges over 12 months. Then you have this, which is what I'm going to show you. Now, the instant funding is exactly what it says it is. You will go to market day one. And you will get your profits day one. The caveat is you have to hit the milestone. Now, you've got plenty of time. You've got 180 days, 6 months, to essentially do 6%, 1% a month, or $600. It's not impossible. I broke it down in the other videos and showed you how I was going to do it. And now I'm going to show you the results. You get a 50-50 profit split, which I think is fair. Leverage 1 in 10. It's not a worry because if you work on your drawdown as your account, your balance becomes the leverage. And then you have a growth plan, as you can see here, up to 4 million. Now that is phenomenal. Whichever way you dress that up, it is phenomenal. And then there's the costs for whatever it is you want to do. Simple stuff. So where am I up to in this? Well, let's have a look and we shall find out. So that is the one I've just shown you. So it must be this one. Okay. So this is where I'm up to at the moment. I don't have any trades running. I've finished for the week. I've got 246 in the bag. My equity curve is pretty reasonable. And if I look at it, I'm 187 trades into this, 82% hit rate, Now, that ain't luck. You can't do that many trades and have that unless you know what you're doing, especially when it's coupled with this bit, which is the profit factor. As long as it's above 1, it means it is profitable and sustainable. And I am working with pennies, 10p, 20p. Why? Because I haven't got a drawdown to work against. And as you can see, there's nothing there. And then there's the deal tickets, for which there is loads of them. Okay. Now I keep a journal with this, which keeps me on track. And as you can see, I've grown the pot by 41% this month. So I've done it. I started the beginning of the month, first Monday of the month. Pips wise, I've done loads of pips. And the average size is 11p. So I'm quite happy with this, okay? Because the plan is to do it by Christmas. And I've actually got till March. So it's slow, steady progress, if you like. So I'm well ahead of the game. So if I go to September, I do lose, as you can see. There is the win rate. It's telling me average pip win is about 12 pips. For day trading, that's fine. I am looking to start compounding, which means I can start edging my bids up a little bit, which might accelerate the process, but I've still got to be careful. And as you can see, I'm predominantly using the DAX. Simple stuff. So where am I at? 40% into it. Got 348 to go. And when we go into next month, this will drop down to 5 months left to go, because this was the first month. So as a happy boy, I'm a very happy boy. And why is that? Because everything's going to plan, you know. And that's what it's all about. Even this morning, if I just pull up this, I could see the continuation of the move, and I've capitalized on it. And for all I only need to do, maybe it's a $5 a day. I did 19, and after commissions 18. That puts me a few days ahead of schedule. So I'm constantly knocking days off the end of the back. And this just makes my life a lot easier. And if I push that out, you can see there's the colossal drop. And I just followed it through the Bollinger Band. It's a simple stuff, and it's a simple idea. So there you go. Process is going very well. I'm taking a few days off next week. I don't think I'll be trading much at all next week. Kind of on the board there, you can see I'm counting down because I do like a trip. And the prop fund is paying for those trips. So if you want to see where I go and what I get up to, look at the second channel, the Scruffy Adventures. There is a link in the description below. And you sort of see some of the hotels I go to on a regular basis. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.